welcome back to my channel. It's Eleanor here and it is 2019. Happy New Year, guys. Welcome to my first video for 2019. I did put out a video last week, but I actually filmed that footage a couple of months ago already. So this is officially the first video for the year and I can't tell you how excited I am about that. If you are new to my channel is all about natural hair and beauty. So if that is what you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. Also turn on your notification bell to make sure that you stay informed of all my future videos. Guys, so I'm super excited about today's video because I've decided not to do a hair video. It's actually going to be a beauty video, and for 2019 I've decided to incorporate a lot more skincare and beauty because it's been highly requested on Instagram, and in 2018 I just didn't give it as much love as I wanted to. So 2019 you can expect a lot more skincare. Yeah, I'm going to be sharing my skincare regime, makeup products that I like to wear, and like I said, it's highly requested from Instagram, so you can expect a lot more from me about that. Okay, so let's get into today's video. Now, a couple of months ago I was sent some gorgeous lip colors by Mina, which is spelled with an M. Can you guys see that? So it's spelled like that, but they're called Mina. I've not had a chance to wear them or to try them out. Today is the day that I'm going to put them to the test, and you're going to help me decide which color looks best on me. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to tell you guys a little bit more about Mina, and I'm actually going to read it off their little pamphlet. Now it says, rooted in confident aesthetics and a positive inclusive attitude, the Mina vision is to challenge the one-size-fits-all definition of beauty. Color is our language and our products are tools for self-expression. We believe beauty should be bold, it should be fun, it should give you the confidence to try new things. And then what I also love about Mina is that they are cruelty-free, paraben-free, they're made in Europe. I really love trying out makeup that it's cruelty-free, it's friendly to the environment. Same when it comes to skincare. It's not always possible to make all your products like super environmentally friendly, but when I can, I love using products like that, and that's why I'm super excited to be using Mina today. So I was sent a total of 6 lip pencils, as well as a total of 6 Longwear lipsticks. So these are liquid Longwear lipsticks. Now, often I've had an issue with liquid lipsticks. So often the ones I've tried just don't work for me because they dry my lips out so badly, so I've kind of stopped using them. But so throughout the course of today I've actually been trying out the Mina lipsticks, and I have to say that they are non-drying, like for real. They are not drying to my lips at all. I've had this color on my lips for probably the last half an hour and my lips feel amazing. They feel moisturized, although the color has dried quite matte. Yeah, I really love the way that it feels on my lips. So watch intently and let me know down below what you think of these colors. guys, thank you so much for watching my first video for 2019. I really hope that you enjoyed watching it. Please give this video a massive thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below by letting me know which shade was your favorite or which shade looked the best on me, what you thought of this video. What else, guys? Oh, check me out on Instagram. I'm at Eleanor and I would love it. I would so love it if you would follow me on Instagram. I love talking to you guys over there, and I love it when you guys go from YouTube to Instagram and sometimes Facebook back to Instagram back to YouTube. So please follow me on Instagram if you're not already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.